Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going on a field trip. We're going to take a trip out to Goodyear, Arizona and attempt to visit the newly opened Buc-ee's. Buc-ee's opened up this week, so we're going to take a ride down there, see how long it takes to get inside, and if it's not too bad of a wait, we're going to go inside and take a look and grab some goodies. So Buc-ee's just opened up this week here in Arizona. It's the first Buc-ee's in Arizona, and it's caused quite the stir. It's out in Goodyear. I love Buc-ee's. Every time I'm in a state and the Buc-ee's isn't too far, I'll try to make it a point to go over and grab some things. But this had people like camping out for the night. I remember the first time I went to Buc-ee's, I went to a Buc-ee's in Texas, and I could not believe how big that place was and everything that they sold there. So we're almost there. We're like a mile away from the exit. All right, here's our exit. They got some police directing traffic. It doesn't look too backed up. There's a lot of gas pumps open, but I don't think people are coming here to get gas. They closed that off. They're directing us all in one way, I guess, to manage the traffic. All right, so we have to pass Buc-ee's. It says, Buc-ee's traffic continues straight. Right here, finally, we can do a U-turn. So it takes you down to Buc-ee Drive. So this is where we'll enter the far end. They got this organized. I like it. We did have to go down pretty far. I think that was for all the traffic for opening day. It's not bad. I'm happy. I am so happy, guys. I was like, I don't know, because it's early in the day. Maybe people want to stop on the way to work. It's not as packed as I thought it would be.
Hello?
Y'all want anything at Buc-ee's?
Oh, shit.
I'm here and it's not packed.
Really?
Yeah, I just got in here.
Okay. I know it's early, but I'll take a brisket.
All right. Whew. All right, we just went to Buc-ee's and that was an experience right there. It wasn't too busy. It wasn't too busy at all. Coffee's pretty good. So I got a few things I'm gonna take back to my family. I got the chopped brisket, of course. I got a cinnamon roll. I got a sausage biscuit. And I got 2 of these brisket tacos. But yeah, I'm taking this back to the family. Everything costs $31. I don't know. $9 for a brisket sandwich. I don't know if that's good or bad. I can't tell with prices anymore these days. I don't know what anything's supposed to cost anymore. So yeah, I'm gonna take this food back to the family. Thanks for coming along with me on the trip, and if you're out in Arizona, be sure to come out and check Buc-ee's out. It looks like the crowd may be dying down. I don't know if it's because of the time I went or what, but it wasn't that bad at all considering how Buc-ee's is usually busy anyway. So for a grand opening, in my opinion, it was easy to get in and out and take your time and really look through everything. I didn't look through everything because I've been to Buc-ee's before, But if you want to like browse around, there's not too many people in there. All right, y'all, take care. Have a good one.